So this is the working of the project. It has some added features, so we can test it out. First we will test out the LED and we will see the other things and see if we can hear it on. Here we have an headphones. So let's start. Hey Snips, turn on the lights. So the light turns on. It's just directly connected to the matrix creator. Hey Snips, turn off the light. So here the light just turned off, so it just works. And the same thing is for fan, but I don't have a relay or a track to control AC fan, and for safety reasons we are using an LED because operating to 20 volt is dangerous. So now we will just see other things of currency conversion and weather and all that. So here you can see this is the Raspberry Pi's like the code which is running, and here we turned on the lights and off, we can see that. And this is just for the fan test which it works. And here this is the SAM watch command. So with this, whatever you tell to the Raspberry Pi, it will do that. So what I have shown is like it gets confused with Indian Ascent because of very less training examples, but still it works. So that's how it is. So if I have given it say convert unknown, so it just cannot recognize. And then what 10 kilograms are, so it asks for the volume unit, and it struggles a lot in converting that. So yeah, and then it can convert it 30 to kilograms or whatever. So now we will see the Snips console. So this is the Snips console, and here we have the dashboard. So default it's Hey Snips, but you can easily use your personal wake word. And here we have all the 4 apps as they call it. So this weather and calculations are from different creators, which requires your API key from Open Weather Map. The weather requires it, and it will ask when you install it. And the calculator requires the API key from exchange rate API, exchangerate-api.com, which you need to provide for the currency exchange things. And it works quite well. So this can convert weight, length, currency, do some math functions, and temperature, speed, etc. And we have the weather app, which does the weather forecasting, and it gets the details. And these 2 are the apps which I have made. So this is alarm set. So this just recognizes it and just takes the 7, 8 or whatever that time is into a slot, and that slot is passed via an MQTT message. So if we have an device which interprets that message, and based on the NTP time, it can trigger the alarm. So that's the alarm set. And I have another appliance control. So as it's India is a tropical country, we have a lot of fans. So we have fans and the lights which we can control, but you need to provide more than 4 training examples, though they work for proper operation. So that's it for the project, and it works well, and it can help us to be more lazy. The full project guide and all that things will be in the description. uh, Thank you for watching and please consider subscribing.